Pythagoras' theorem states that in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of the other two sides. So hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Let's see how we can find the hypotenuse using Pythagoras' theorem. We need to find x, which is the hypotenuse. Here the side 1 and side 2 are 3 and 4 respectively. According to the Pythagoras theorem, x square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. Doing a simple calculation, we find x square, which is 25 in this case. So x is equal to the square root of 25, which is equal to 5. Hope you understand what the Pythagoras theorem is and how to use it. Thanks for watching.